Please subscribe. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Hi friends, how are you all? This is Craft and Drawings with Yasira. Today I'm going to draw a girl with hijab reading a book. This drawing is easy and simple. If you follow my steps, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon for more notifications about my channel. Please support me till end. Thank you.
I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And you may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to.